What is up, guys? It's Gardner with another video. And now, today we are in Batangas, in Stilts Calatagan, Batangas. And this is known as the Maldives of the Philippines. And later you'll know why. But for the meantime, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Wala, nagbasahan na. And right behind me is the reason kung bakit siya Maldives of the Philippines. Guys, it's so ganda. Say hi to the vlog. Ubeda nga pala. Ang pinsan ni Sean. Si Gabo. Hi.
Hello.
Hi sa vlog.
Say hi.
For those of you who wants to spend the night here, I'll link mga rates. Tapos, I'll link the description down below na rin. Sikap tayo sa pag-video at sa pag-picture dito. Now we're off to the beach. Let's go get away. Salamin pala ako. Ang init. So ayun, as I said, day tour lang kami dito sa Stilts Calatagan. Pero honestly, I would like to stay for a night. Kasi honestly, ang ganda talaga ng lugar and parang romantic, lalo na sa sunrise and sunset. Especially in the floating cabanas. As you saw in the drone shots, sobrang ganda niya. Para talaga siyang Maldives. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit siya binansagang Maldives of the Philippines. Yeah, diba? 3 hours away from Manila or Calamba. From Calamba, actually kanina, it took us almost 3 hours to travel from Calamba to Calatagan. Pero it's not that bad for this. Diba? Ang dami kasing beach sa Batangas na hindi na ganun punta, honestly. Pero there's still hidden gems here in the Philippines, Ang daming magagandang beach dito, kaya guys, dapat alagaan yung mabuti, diba?